This online ad here says mustard in fridge. Don't. But here's the thing. I'll tell you really quick and we'll end the video. This goes to a website with 84 different items, maybe slides you have to click through. Next slide, next slide. They never mention this. The aim of them is to try to get you to click through all their different things or scroll through their entire page, thinking you're going to find the answer to what this is. Maybe they'll have some insight. You can put mustard in the fridge. It's fine. It doesn't matter. I've done it for years. Don't fall for ads like these. They're trying to just get people to go to their website so that then they're served a bunch of different ads. It's called advertising arbitrage. They're hoping, the people behind this, whoever they are, they're hoping that you go and you spend so much time on their website that they make more money from you viewing their ads on their article that this goes to than it costs them to place this mustard ad through whatever this is placed through, Google or whatever. So I hope that you received help. Like, comment, subscribe. Join button is down below. Thank you for watching.